Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. We're going to show you a backup camera we've installed on a Volkswagen Beetle 2015. Now, in this vehicle, we actually replaced the mirror. So this is the original mirror. And we use one of our universal mirror, but we have a specific bracket. So this is the bracket that comes with the mirror, but it allows us, on our mirror, allows us to replace it to change the bracket. So this is connect to the mirror in the same way, but the other side gives you the bracket specific for your vehicle. In this case, this is the one for the Beetle. We have for different vehicles. For compatibility list, give us a call at Car System Installation. The camera we've installed is, in this case, because the bumper is so low, we've installed one of our standard mounted square cameras, not drilled in. The reason is if you do the drilled in one that we have, they have nice flat mount. Because of the angle, it will be too low, it will show the floor. So we used one of the cameras that we have with an adjustable bracket so we can move it up and down based on the vehicle, on the customer request. When we start the vehicle, we have an indication on the mirror that the mirror is on. I'm gonna remove here the cover. Okay. Cover is removed. So as you can see, regular mirror, nice, clean. You can see everything to the back. Doesn't have any interference. A lot of the mirrors are much darker. You can see that there's interference. This one you can see it's clean and nice. Put the car in reverse, and half our screen becomes our mirror. Put the car back in drive, and the screen disappears. Again, put it in reverse. We have the mirror showing here. Very nice image, very clean, very bright. And again, looks factory clean and nice, does not interfere with regular use of a mirror, it's not a clip-on, get a nice clean job. For backup cameras for different vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.